Alright guys, so let's get started. Hopefully the lighting is good. It's at nighttime, so I did have to put the ISO just a tad bit, up, just because it is dark outside already. So as you guys know by the title, today we are going to be reviewing this foundation right here. This is the Juvias Place foundation. This is the stick version. This one actually just launched not too long ago. So their original liquid foundation does retail for $20. The stick retails for $16. It recently just launched, so I'm gonna go ahead and read some of the claims of the foundation. This is supposed to be a full coverage, natural and radiant finish, multi-purpose foundation stick. It does come in 30 creamy and long-lasting sticks. It's formulated to feel like skin. It is very weightless. It also says this full coverage formula is infused with shea butter and oil controlling ingredients to aid in a long wearing time while providing radiance to the skin. It is paraben free, sulfate free, gluten free, and that's basically all that it says. I also do have their concealer, so we're gonna use their concealer in today's video as well. But this is what the packaging looks like. I did get mine in the shade NEPAL. It comes like this in the orange, standard Juvias Place packaging. It also does come with 0.34 ounces of product. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this foundation stick with the brush, just because I normally apply foundation sticks with the brush. I feel like they give me the best coverage, and I like foundation sticks because they're normally easy on the go, they're fast application, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto my skin. We're just gonna go ahead and get started. I feel very creamy off of like first impressions when I do apply it. I'm gonna pull my mirror here so I can see, and I'm gonna take my Morphe G1 and let's start blending. Are so good. It's blending like a dream. I'd say it has really good coverage. I want to say this is full coverage. Yeah, I have not tried their liquid version, so let me know if you guys would want to see a review on the liquid version. I've heard mixed reviews, but I have heard more good things than bad things on the liquid version. So if you've tried it, let me know down below what's your skin type and what do you think of it if you have tried it. This one glides on very creamy. It feels very creamy, but I also need to look at this up close. I just want to know something. I didn't prime my skin, so off of first impressions it actually looks very, very bad, like really bad. Up close and personal, it almost just looks like separated. That's weird, like very weird. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with my sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and take my sponge and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. My favorite YouTuber just uploaded a video and I'm like, what did you upload? Why does this look like this? Oh my goodness gracious, what is up with this foundation? Is it because I didn't apply a primer? I'm gonna go ahead and lower the ISO just so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Hold on. I don't know if you guys are able to tell. Probably not, because on camera it doesn't look too bad, but in person this looks horrible. I mean horrible. Like really horrible. It just looks so separated. Why? I wonder why it looks like this. And it almost just feels very, very oily on my skin, like super oily. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, I am not liking this at all. Like at all. So, wow. I've never done this on camera, like ever. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this foundation because it looks horrible. Like on camera, you're not even able to see, and it's dark outside, so it's not like I can give you like a natural lighting clip. But wow, this looks so bad. It almost just sits on top of the skin. I don't know what is going on. Like something is going on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my face, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start all over. Prime my skin this time. Maybe I need a primer? I have no idea. I'll catch you guys in a minute once I'm done wiping this off. Alright guys, so I am back. I'm actually gonna leave the ISO how it is. The only thing that I had on my skin was the Remedy Serum. I'm not going to be applying anything but a primer. And I'm gonna go into the ColourPop Hydrating Primer. I'm just gonna take one pump. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my skin. Maybe this works better with that foundation. I have no idea. I kind of don't even want to review it anymore. I kind of just want to return it because it looks like horrible. I'm actually not going to be using this brush. I'm actually going to take a clean brush to apply this. Maybe the brush was, I don't know. I don't know what happened, but okay, we're going to start all over. My skin is nice and hydrated. Here goes nothing. Just going to apply that much and let's start blending. Really good coverage. I love the coverage. It has like a full coverage, I would say, but something about the way that it's just sitting on my skin, I'm not loving. It almost just feels like cracked and separated like all over my skin. I don't think this has ever happened to me with a product, like ever. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, no. No, no, no. This is a big no, no, no. I cannot believe I'm saying this, but the Juvias Place foundation stick is a big no-no. Like, it has coverage, you guys, but it definitely just looks very oily, first of all. So I think this would be good for dry skin. But it almost just feels like it's sitting on top of my skin. Like, I don't know if you guys are able to tell, like, it's rubbed off around my nose area. Like, the more I blend it into my skin, the more it just leaves. Look. I don't know. It's so oily. Like, this was a big no-no. I am so sorry. I'm gonna have to film a different video, but I have no words. I am like out of words. I don't want to sit here and I don't want to film this video and tell you guys this is a bomb-ass foundation, you know? When in reality, this is an oily mess. And I don't mind the dewiness that it's giving me. The thing that I have a problem with is it not blending. It's just like sitting on top. Guys, if you guys like my honest reviews, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have this foundation, I do want to upload this video. I'm not going to finish it, but I do want to upload this video just because I want to know how many of you guys have tried this. Do you guys feel the same way about me? Is my skin doing something weird right now? I want to know. I'm very curious, like, what's going on? What's going on? Look at that. Like, I don't even think I can make it work, though, if I set it with the powder. I kind of want to make it work, you know? Oh my goodness, I've never encountered something like this. I feel like you cannot make this work. Wow. I don't think this has oil controlling powers or anything like that either. Something so weird, you guys, because it looks on my skin, it looks like, oh my goodness, it looks horrible. Like, from far away on camera, it looks full coverage. And then it looks very oily, but very closely, it looks completely dry. You know what I mean? Like, it just looks separated everywhere. Emphasizing everything. Like, oh my goodness. It looks like I'm not even wearing foundation. Like, that's how bad it looks. Yeah, no. I'm gonna see if they'll return my money for this because, no. It looks so cracked and separated, and it looks like it just sits on top of your skin. Like, on camera, my skin looks like it has coverage. Like, it looks full coverage, right? And then in person, like, close, and in person it looks like it has no coverage. Like, you could just see everything. Oh, wow, this has been like the biggest fail of my entire years here on YouTube. Okay, guys, so I am so sorry about this video. It was probably not the video you were expecting. That's why I'm going to be uploading this video on not my normal day schedule. I'm just going to upload this randomly. So this video is going to be going live Thursday. So when you guys are watching this, it's obviously Thursday. But you guys are also going to have a brand new video, something more, just a better video tomorrow, which is Friday. And you guys know that I never sit here and lie to you guys or tell you guys something. If a product doesn't work out for me, like if it's not bad like this one, I always tell you guys what skin type I think it works for, or I try to give you guys the best feedback. I have no idea what happened with this foundation, you guys, but you guys are still going to get your normal 3 videos a week this week. So tomorrow, Friday, you guys are also going to be getting a video from me. Please let me know if you've already tried this foundation stick. I'm very curious to see if it worked out the same. Maybe I got something that was damaged. I have no idea. I want to know what you guys think of this down below. But yeah, guys, I am so sorry about today's video. Like I said, I really wanted you guys to see my reaction in my opinion on that product that did not make the cut. I mean, I hope they give me my money back. If not, I'm gonna be so sad, because $16 is $16, you know? Please subscribe if you haven't already. This what happened today never happens here on my channel, you guys, like ever. I am just so disappointed in that product. Like, I have no words. Like I don't even know if I want to upload this video, but I am going to upload it because I really want you guys to see my reaction on that. And just because it is a new product, I don't want you guys to go out, spend your money on a product that just does not work. But if you guys are down to purchase it, try it out, and then let me know in the comment section how it works out for you, that'd be awesome as well. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. The links are in the description box below. And with all this mess being done, I will catch you guys tomorrow in Friday's video. It's going to be a much more, you know, chill back video. So I will catch you guys very soon. Bye.